Hey guys, I'm with Rocky. He's just being the cutest little puppy ever. The thing about Rocky, he loves to lick stuff. Anything you got, any body part, he'll lick it, I swear. I'm starting to think Rocky's gay. See? Look at that. He's disgusting. What's wrong with you? That's gross. That's gross. Stop. No. No licking. No. See, when Rocky makes that noise, you want to back away. With cats, it means, oh, I love it. With Rocky, it means back away. It means back away, bitch. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how cute Rocky is and that I think he's gay.